This is a 72 Chevy step side with the LS3 engine in it. And does it have twin turbos?
Yep,
It has twin turbos. Generates approximately 2,000 horsepower.
About 9 1/4.
Yeah, 9 1/4.
At 10 pounds of boost.
10 pounds of boost. Cool. This is nice. I didn't see this run down the track. Did you take it out there yet?
Yeah.
Got a custom side pipes all coming out the side. Did Justin paint it too? It's nice. He did a good job on the bed.
Yeah, he did a really good job. I have to put it in. But I got the cover for the door inside. We haven't finished them yet.
I like your shifter, man. That was custom.
Look at the shifter with the pattern.
You start out in
First is after neutral. It's a reverse pattern.
Yeah. It's fast. What did it run? Did you run the 8th?
Yeah, it only ran a 690, but I messed up on the start.
Wow. That's faster than Stevie's truck, and
I think it'll go a little faster.
we don't know what
Lori made the seats.
That's cool. Seats.
Well, I don't know what they're doing quarter. Shoot, I wouldn't want to go that fast. They probably run from 60. I wouldn't want to do that.
Probably do. Do you have the keys with?
Yeah, but it's so cold natured.
Yeah.
You gotta hit push down on this thing and shut the latch.
Oh, okay.
If you cut off on the face.
All right. Does that neighbor's dog ever shut up? That's tough. He repainted it, didn't he? I don't remember being that shiny.
Yeah, he painted it.
All right. We'll hear it run after a while.